Have you noticed that the photos and videos you send on WhatsApp sometimes lose quality? If you want your media to look sharper and clearer in this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve the media transfer quality on WhatsApp. Simple and quick, you'll enhance the quality of the photos and videos you send without any complications. Let's get started. First, find and open your WhatsApp application. Once you're in WhatsApp, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 dots. Tap them, and this will display a menu of options. In the menu that appears, select the Settings option. When you're on the WhatsApp settings page, scroll down slightly and find the Storage and Data option, then tap it. Next, in this section, locate the Media Upload Quality option and tap it. Then, in the pop-up window that appears, select the HD Quality option. Keep in mind that this option allows you to send photos and videos in higher quality, but it may increase transfer time and data usage. After selecting HD quality, tap Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Now your media can be sent in better quality. If you found this video helpful and successfully changed the media transfer quality on WhatsApp, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.